Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this floating cube on CapCut PC. Select your video and go to animation and select cube 4. I think is the best for it. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, maybe like around 10 seconds. And I'm just going to scale it down. Copy and paste your videos like so. Right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to rotate it 2 times, and you're going to hit the mirror so it looks like this. You're also going to adjust the opacity of the cube, and I'm also going to right click, create compound clip on the first video as well, because hold on. Wait, I need to scale them both together. Can't do that. Actually, I can. I need to scale them down a little bit, and I'm just going to place it here. And I'm going to place this one a little bit here. It's going to be pretty small once you're done with it, because here you want it to be close to each other. Or you can delete like the first few animations here. Let me just use that one so that you can scale it up a little bit. Okay. You can also select the video down here, go to mask and select horizontal, and you're just going to rotate it the other way around, and then you're going to feather it out. Like around here. So it looks more realistic, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!